two angles, same length angle.
Same sides
Oh yeah, I knew that.
and
Angle.
angles. So meaning, if two triangles, let's say ABC is congruent to DEF, if you bring one and superimpose on the second one, it should match exactly. Meaning, this angle should be exactly the same as this. This match with this. This match with this. So when we say two triangles are congruent, the corresponding ones, the matching ones, meaning angle A must be equal to angle D, angle B must be equal to angle E, and the last angle C must be equal to angle F. You cannot jumble the angles up. You cannot rotate and say the other angle is the same. The matching ones must be exactly the same. We call them corresponding angles. Okay, these are called corresponding. Okay, which is matching, the matching ones. You superimpose also must be in the correct orientation. You tilt it don't match exactly already. So this one you need to be careful. Not just that, the corresponding sides must also be equal. Meaning this length and this length is the same. This length and this length is the same. And this length and this length is the same. So the word congruent is very strong. It shows that all the corresponding angles and corresponding sides are equal. Okay, and we also learned that if you use congruent, you can use the equal sign with three lines. This is a short form for congruent. Okay, so this one is what you have learned in lower sec. It's nothing new to you, but just that from now onwards, you need to know that the order of you writing A, B, C and D, E, F, you need to be very careful. You cannot suddenly change it to C, B, A. It won't match with D, E, F anymore. So A, B, C must match with D, E, F. You cannot jumble the way you call the triangle. So order is very important. Order is important. So this one, in Sec 3, we will emphasize to you that the order of you writing the triangle is super important. Okay, what do we want to know here is that, okay, are there any tests that we can do to check if triangles are congruent?
We all supposed to exit.
You can rephrase it in your own way. So if I give you two triangles and I ask you, if you can't measure, if you can't take it out and superimpose, is there a way that we can actually check if two triangles are equal? Okay, there are in fact 5 tests that we will learn to prove that two triangles are equal. So what we are about to learn are the 5 tests. So the 5 tests, okay, later we will explore a bit further, is the SSS test. Meaning if we can know the 3 sides of both triangle and they are both equal, we can conclude they are the same. The SAS test, side angle side. AAS test, ASA, and RHS. So there's total of 5 tests that we will learn to show that two triangles are equal, are congruent. So I'm going to write here 2 tests that don't work. Okay, there's no ASS test. I teach for 13 years already. Every year for exam, the ASS test will come out. Okay, so I write here first. I show you later. I'm coming back to it when some of you use ASS. There's no such test. Okay, and SAA don't have. Okay, every year I see this, or SSA. All these don't have. Only strictly these 5. Tested and proven to show that two triangles are congruent. So all these combination don't have, don't work. Only these 5. Remember? Okay, so this kind of question is a 2-mark or 3-mark question. I give you 2 triangles. I ask you to show that they are congruent. So it's a by memory kind of test, but you need to follow some rules. So if you are a compliant person, you can score. So are you all okay? Still copying. Give you some time. So you know what is congruent already, but this year you need to remember that how you write is very important. And we are going to learn 5 tests. That's all. Okay, let's try one. The SSS test. So the S here meaning sides. The A here meaning angles. Okay, if you see R, it's actually right angle. If you see H, it's actually hypotenuse. Okay, so all this letter comes with a meaning. So if you have 2 triangles and all the 3 sides are given to you to be equal, you can tell me they are congruent. But you need to write it carefully. So first thing first, let's try to match the first one. Okay, very important, listen. You know these 2 lengths are equal. So you write BC is equal to ZY or YZ. Look at the order. I'm starting from the one with the 2 strokes to the 3 strokes. So BC, then match with YZ. If you write ZY, you are marked wrong. Because the order of the triangle matters. So be careful when you are writing. So this is YZ. Okay, this is one side of course, but in your exam you don't write S, you will write given. Because the diagram give you the angle, the sides to be equal, so you write given. Okay, the next one we match is AB. So let's write AB. AB match with which one? XY, yes. So again, is given. It's another side, but it's given. The last side, let's write AC. Then it will match with XZ. Okay, so finally, when you write the triangle, make sure it's matching. So if I start from A, B, C, you must start from X, Y, Z. You cannot jumble up the sequence. By SSS property, or we can say SSS test. You need to cite the test you use, and you need to write all these reasons to get you 2 marks. Okay?
What's the long form for SSS?
Cite property. Okay? So why is it very important? Because if you don't label them correctly, then it won't match. For example, I know angle A is equal to angle X. This one and this one. But if you write Z, X, Y, then it's a different thing already. So you cannot anyhow label it. So like this angle must match with this angle. And the very last one, this must match with this. So don't anyhow jumble them up because they mean different things. Okay, so this is SSS test. What if it's SAS? So be very careful. This S, not this S. This angle is kiap between two S. Trapped in between. It's called included angle. So when you are looking at your diagram, it is the letter V where the angle is in between it. Okay? So the angle must be in between. If the angle is outside of your two lines, you see this is outside, not trapped between the two lines. Then it's a different test already. So you need to know how to identify the correct one. The two sides with the angle in between is SAS. The angle is trapped between two sides. So let's try to write it out. First side that is the same, AB and RS, correct. So AB, RS, we write given. Okay, next one we want to write is the angle. So if you go this direction, CAB, then you need to go this direction, QRS. This is also given. Okay, the last side, AC match with RQ. So you can tell me triangle ABC is congruent to what? Start from here. Is it correct or not? Yeah. RSQ by SAS property or test. Okay? So make sure you know which test you are using. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Okay, the third one is where you have two angles on the same side, right? Then the side you have is not the same side as the two angle. What do I mean by that? Look at your two angle, it lies on the same side. Right? Your two angle lies on the same side. But the given length is not this side. Then it's AAS. AAS. But you cannot write SAA test. You must write AAS test. Why? Because the person who came up with it says so. So if you want to change the rule, then you come up with your own test. Okay? Yeah, and change the test. Okay? So these two angles followed by a side. So let's write that down. First angle K. So we can write angle LKM is the same as angle TUS. Okay, so again this is given in the diagram. Okay, then we can write the other angle LMK. Okay, LMK. Then of course is TSU. Then the last one, which is the side, let's write it to be LM. And you link it with TS. So again it's given. So you can write triangle LKM. Match it with triangle TUS by AAS property, angle, side. Ufa, wake up. Why so tired? Yesterday youth day you went party, is it? What do you all do on youth day? Nothing. Study.
Then why the second?
Triangle US What? TUS. Then? First, right here.
The bottom.
I do stuff.
Can reverse. Yeah.
The side you can use any side.
The side cannot, must be the given one.
Oh.
So that means on your diagram, if let's say they say this is 5, this is 5, then you know they are equal, then you choose that one. Okay? All these are general ones. Later I show you actual examples. Silash. Yeah, I just calling you. Yeah, why you need 3 water bottle? Very thirsty. Or not yours? Okay, fourth property. Okay, is the RHS property. The R meaning a right angle, the H meaning the hypotenuse, and one side. So this is the right angle, this is the hypotenuse, and any other side. So first, this one. So write it out. Angle ACB, angle DFE. So this is given again. Okay, next one. AB is the hypotenuse because it's the longest side opposite 90 degree. Okay, so we match it with no angle. AB match it with DE. So this one is again given. And then the last side that you are known to, that is known to you, is BC and EF. Kiran, the whiteboard is in front. The screen is in front. Why you don't want to use your own table? You keep facing them. Okay, so lastly, triangle ABC is congruent to DEF by RHS property. Okay, this notes is missing on one test, if I'm not wrong, which is the ASA test. Let's include that in. For testing 2 triangles are congruent. They give you 2 or 3 marks for it. To test that 2 triangles are congruent. Mathematicians are curious. Because some mathematicians very hands-on, right? They use the ruler and measure, they know it is. Then they start wondering, what if I cannot measure? Is there a way I can prove that they are congruent? Then they realize there is. Okay? So it's just like some people likes to test out how people think. Then they go and study human behavior. They go and study human psychology. But mathematicians like to discuss about relationship between angles and sides. Okay? So here, let's give you 2 triangles. ABC, DEF. So if you have 2 angles given to you, one and the other one, and the angle, the side in between them. Shh. Listen, this one is a bit different. It's 2 angles and then the side that they lie on. So ASA. The side must be trapped in between 2 angles. So it's an included side. So if you can show me that angle ABC equal to angle DEF, this is given. This one, Then next pair we write down is this one. BAC and EDF. Last one we write down is the side here. So you can write down AB is equal to DE. So the moment you can show me this and then you conclude by ASA test. Then you say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. That's 2 marks. Okay? So it's to prove that two triangles are congruent. Okay, we will try out an example. Okay, they miss out the fifth one. Okay, but let's write that down. Hey, my lesson until what time?
Now.
Huh?
Finish already.
10 minutes. Hello? 11:05. He said he finished already. You see behind? Eh, I never say that. You don't anyhow complete the sentence, huh?
Back to where I came from.
No, I don't say that already. Now I say, please go back to where you... Also wrong. Please go back to your seat. Very dangerous, this class. Keep picking out the words we use. So dangerous. Yeah. And you see? Sweet dreams.
Which one?
It's common in every class.
Ufa? Ufa?
So we should all take a picture.
Ufa? Why so tired? What did you do yesterday? Why y'all like that? How can y'all be sleepier than a teacher with two irritating children? Yeah, you don't know my kids. Okay, never mind. Okay, move on. Oh, please, don't.
Didn't Mr. Siddiq say? Mr. Siddiq or who?
My alarm rang at 5:30 a.m. yesterday and I woke up. Okay, name the pair of congruent triangles. Name me one pair of congruent triangles. Don't anyhow tell me the order. Huh? Okay, who wants to try? Okay, what is it? A, B, D congruent to who? Ah, correct. C, D, B. If you write C, B, D wrong, must be because this is a short form for congruent. Okay? So the moment you mess up the sequence, you are marked wrong. Even if you argue with me, same triangle but wrong order.
Can it be ADB and CBD?
Can. Skip it up. C, B, D. Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, never mind. I'm tired. I'm so tired. Okay. Don't miswang me. Okay, this one. Angle A match with which angle? Angle A match with which angle? Oh my god. C, right? So this tells me this angle is 65 degrees because they are matching angles, they are corresponding angles. So you can first write angle BCD is 65 because of corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Okay, but of course you can say, can I don't write the reason? Can, but it's a good practice. Okay, so once you know that finding angle X is easy, you just use 180, take away the 90, take away the 65. So sum of angles in a triangle. Okay, this question never asks you to state your reasons, then don't need. Okay? Okay, but this one, do you realize they say state your reasons? How do you know they are congruent? How do you know they are congruent? What test? Okay, there's a right angle that is the same. There's hypotenuse that is the same. Do you have one more side that is the same? Which one?
Or DB.
The common side they share, right? So this side is also the same. So actually it's by RHS test. They ask you to state reasons, means they want you to tell them which property can prove this. So I'm going to write the proof up here. Let me redraw this one. So that we can prove what it is. Okay, this one is the triangle. Okay, if you want to show that they are the same, okay, let me see. Okay, let's write like that. Let's say you can tilt it. Let's say. Okay, so first thing first is the hypotenuse is the same. So I can write AB. AB is equal to CD because it is given. Right? This is the hypotenuse. Next one is the right angle. ADB is equal to CBD 90 degree. So this is also given. Corresponding CORR. Okay. This is the right angle. And then we just need one more side, right? So what is the one side that is the same? Is this one. Because it's a common side. So you can say DB is a common side. If you don't like the word common, you can write shared. So both triangles shares the same base. So that is the side. So that's why you can use RHS test. Okay? So what we mean is when they give you two triangles, you must be able to prove that they are congruent. You cannot just say. You must provide evidence. Just like next time when you fight with your partner, you must provide all the evidence so that you can win the fight. And I always win. Okay, got 4 more minutes, can do one more. Okay, example 2. What's the two congruent triangles? What's the two congruent triangles? ABC and? ABC and? Okay, I have ADC, ACD, which one? First thing first, if you see parallel line, you have alternate angles. Correct? So if you look at this, you will compare ABC with CDA. Okay, with CDA. Then they say state your reasons. So can you tell me which property can you use? Which test or which property you can use here? We definitely have two angles. AAS, right? Where's the S? AC, very good. This one, this is the common side they share. And it is not on this line. So it's A, then S. There's no SAA, so AAS test. So this is by AAS test. This is the reason they want, but you got to prove it. So let's write it down. Angle ABC is equal to angle CDA. So this is given. Question give you 65 given. Not everything given, some you found it. So like the second angle BAC is equal to angle DCA. This is not given. This is alternate angles. AB parallel to CD. Ayo.
He's riding the car again.
Okay?
How did they get all the fun stuff?
So knowing this, right? I know that these two must be the same. Because adjacent angles on a straight line, if you use 180 subtract that, you will get the same angle. So you can actually write angle ACB is equals to angle ADE. And adjacent angles on a straight line. Stop fighting under the table.
Complain for nothing.
Okay, but again, even if I have this angle, it's SSA or ASS, I can't use it. It's not a congruency test. So the last angle I need to prove that is equal is this one. This is the important one. So since these two are exactly the same, the third angle must be equal. So I can say BAC must be equals to EAD, sum of angles in a triangle. So the crucial one is this two and this one because it gives me a SAS test.
Oh, sorry. There's no workings?
No. So by SAS test, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle AED. Sailesh, are you eating? You eat the worksheet? You look like you're chewing something. Justin, are you throwing paper at people? Then what? Don't throw anything at anyone. Paper or anything brown. What happened to us today? Why is everybody so weird?
Oh no, yeah, it's because of first lesson.
Ask us what color our underwear. His pants were like sagging. Then we told him to pull out. Then he said, why are you trying to wear my underwear? We're like, very long. And he said he's not wearing any underwear.
Is that your like manager or something? This your boss?
Your professor.
He's not my professor. He was my GP teacher, general paper teacher, English teacher at JC.
How many years ago?
Many years ago. I cannot even remember when I was in JC. Huh? Okay, can we move on? Ayo, so disturbing. Okay, so this is it for 6.1. 5 congruency tests. Can you tell me what are they? SAS,
SSS.
SSS,
AAS.
RHS, EHS,
AAS.
one more,
ASAS.
ASA. So these are your 5 C's. So if anybody asks you if you got 5 C's, you say yes. Your 5 congruency tests, SAS, SSS, RHS, AAS, and ASA. Last time during our time, they say, how do you determine if you are successful? You need to have 5 C's. What are the C's?
Compassion.
Oh no, that's different. You need to have cash. You need to have credit card. You need to have a car. You need to have a condo. And you need one more. What's the other C? I forgot what's the fifth C. Apparently I don't have, right?
Compassion.
No. What's the other C?
You just said this one doesn't have profession.
I have. How can I not? So you don't have, is it? So all of you got 5 C's. 5 congruency tests. Another type. Okay. PMP, did I ask you all to do? How could I not?
Because you love us.
That day lah. Okay, good. So let's do a fate. Okay, a fate call.
I really can't remember.
Fate? What's that?
So if the spinner says even, you do all the even question. If the spinner say odd, you do all the odd.
So what's the 9?
If the spinner say, oh, cannot work, so sad. Wait.
What's the option when you don't do anything?
Yeah, okay. So
None.
that I give you a chance to get none, it means there's a chance that you don't need to do. I'm a very fair person.
None.
So
Let's be honest, gonna land on even.
who wants to press?
No.
Brandon,
Everyone will blame you.
Yeah. Can you take the blame? Justin, you want to do? Oh, you birthday boy today, Y'all got sing song for him? Oh. Also, everybody sing already. Are you happy with the birthday song? Okay, so today you will be the one deciding everybody's homework.
Magical touch.
Press the blue. Okay. All please. Oh. Happy birthday, Justin.
Wait, Miss One, do it again. We need to make sure it's
In life,
This is real.
there's no.
No, we need to make sure.
Okay, if the second time is none is not considered. No. Okay. I give you one more chance.
It's a bad luck.
Okay.
So is it real?
No lah. How can it be? Huh?
It was our birthday and it's our gift.
Also change to y'all. But if it's none, we do one more time to be fair. If it's none, okay. So who do?
They do lah.
Oh, they do
Later,
Okay.
There's no way you're gonna get it.
Your medical touch is good.
Not counted. Not counted. Okay. Oh wait. Oh yeah, I accidentally pressed it. Yeah, it's not rigged lah. Just keep pressing. We'll have even. We'll have none one. Huh? No, cannot be. Wait. Must we like, okay, we create a new one. Crazy. Okay, I use online one. Today, right? Here, I have 8 questions. So the ratio between the sides are always the same. So if, for example, this is 2 and 4, the ratio is always half. So if this is 3, this must be 6. If this is 5, this must be 10. The ratio must always be 1:2. Okay? She haven't opened. You want to show you?
You're so confident.
I help you. I'm a mother, right? I know you must tie like that. Okay, so it will stay good. See later. Okay, what do I want to know is that there are 3 S's. This one got 1 piece.
I think it's still there.
There are 3 similarity tests. So one is if you have 2 sides that are proportional and the angle in between. Okay, so this is by SAS test. So this is one test you can rely on. Okay, another test is if you can show me that the 2 triangles, okay, has all 3 equal angles. Okay, but actually 2 is good enough because if you can show that 2 of the angles are the same, the third one will naturally be equal. So we call this the AA test. Okay, the AA test. Then the last one is the triple S test. If you can show me that all 3 sides are proportional, that means A and A. The second one is AA, just AA. B over B and C over C. If the ratio is the same throughout, then you can tell me by SSS test, okay, they are similar. So remember your 5 C's and 3 S's are. Okay, next pair would be ONM and JIH. So again, it's given. The third one is not necessary. If you have a lot of time during exam, then you write the third one. But it's not needed. So you can tell me triangle OMN is similar to triangle JHI by AA test. Because it's given in the diagram that they are equal. They will ask you for the reasons lor. They might minus 1. So if they say state your reasons clearly, then you have to write. Sam, you very busy, huh? Why you got your phone with you? Why is it not in the locker? Go and put in the locker. I saw that, you see, I can see, right? You're all very scary, no? Why you all do this to teachers? I'm upright and righteous.
I know you are.
I don't take bribes.
It's not a bread. It's an offer.
Okay, never mind. Okay, first thing first. What about SSS test? This is rarely given because it's rare that they give you every length of both triangles. It's very good already. It was like twisted. No. Wait, I say they, not you. Okay, so this one, AB, the ratio between AB and DE is 6 out of 9, which is 2/3. Okay, so this one no need reason because you are just using the info given in the diagram. So let's find another pair. CA, stop trying, I'm not giving back already, it's already undone. CA and FD, 10/15, you realize it's also 2/3. And the last pair is between BC and EF. So it's 8/12, so it's also 2/3. So since you have shown that all three sides are of the same ratio, not equal in length, is ratio, then they are proportional. So triangle ABC is similar to DEF by SSS test. Okay, so similarity test, focus on similarity test. The potato chip will not go missing. Don't force me, I go back and share with Mrs. Kong. I said, hey, they give us, then we just eat. Focus first.
Mrs. Kong said she's very jealous of me.
Okay? So, remember, for similar triangles, it's ratio. It's ratio, not the actual length are equal. Can be small over big also. But you show me that all the ratio is 3/2. Can Okay, last one is SAS. So you got to pick the V. So this is the V that you pick. So let's compare the ratio of the corresponding sides. So in this case, ML you must compare with RQ.
Yeah. Is it not SR?
Is it SR? ML. No lah, that one is the base. And RQ. So it will be 4 out of 8, which is half. Okay, next one we can write is the angle. So MLN is equals to RQS. So this one you can write given. Okay, last pair of ratio is LN over QS. So you also get half. So by SAS test, we can conclude that they are similar.
Why is it 6/2? I mean, why is it 3/6?
I got 2, it's 3.
Yeah, why is it 3/6 and not 6/2?
What's that?
We are comparing this small one with the big one, you must stay consistent.
It's not
LN, yes.
Brandon is your fan pointer.
push-up.
Like the guy with the
Oh, we still got one more PMP behind.
Oh, they really
Oh my.
But we can do on Monday. Monday we got lesson, right?
No.
Yeah, we have one period. Oh, but one period we do quiz, right?
Yeah.
Can we do PMP?
Did they write in the letter? Okay, I check. I will update in the group.
What is the thing with that?
This girl must be a negotiator sometime in her life. No, you know what she told Kiran? Say you get it back, I share with you. How hungry are y'all?
Then we just had recess.
Yeah, I know lah. Y'all go 7-Eleven buy cup noodle. Impossible. Okay, this one. Who asked you to drink that only? During math? No? No. Okay, this one. Name a pair of similar triangles. Which one? Which is the pair of similar triangles? Make a guess. Make a guess. Can you find two triangles that are similar? The small one, APQ. Yes, it's similar to ABC. Why? Which test can you use? You have parallel lines. Parallel lines are very powerful. What can you prove? Corresponding angles. Can you see there's one pair here? There is the same. The letter F you learned before. And there's another one here. So if you can show that the two angles are the same, then you can conclude by AA test they are similar. So what you can write is APQ is equal to ABC because of corresponding angles PQ parallel to BC. One angle already. Another one is AQP and ACB, also corresponding angles. Then you can conclude by AA test. So this is the reason they want.
You need to write all that.
Yes, this is for proving.
I'm not fair this question.
So this is just part A. Why? Given you paying attention, no? You look like every lesson you just waiting for time to pass.
It's just a
Like you rarely copy anything. Huh? How to remember all this? You don't need to copy down. Are you? Okay, so if you look at the small triangle APQ and the big one, right? We want to compare the ratios of the sides. So one ratio I can compare is for this line, right? With the long one here, which is what? 10. You must add these two up. This is 10. So the ratio between the small to the big one is 4:10. So now we pick another pair. Let's pick the base. So the base is x for the small one, but it's 8 for the big one. So the ratio should still be the same. So you write down x and 8. So you need to make both of them the same. You either cross multiply or make the denominator the same for both. So in this case, you get 32 is 10x. X is just Jamil, you know I can hear you whispering from here. Unbend.
Are you still on her?
Move on.
She's feeding the poor.
Look at their faces. They look malnourished.
Have you seen malnourished people? Have you? Yeah. It's very sad. It's very sad. Vietnam. Yeah. Huh? Okay, part C. I want to find QC. No, if QC is 4 cm, okay, find the length of the whole thing. So first thing first, we want to let AQ be X, for example. So let's say this is X. Okay? Then what is AC? What is AC? What is AC? 10? No. What is AC?
This like some kind of sign. Oh, is this Tuakaso? Oh, no,
No need Tuakaso. Okay, remember. Now I want to compare the ratio between this and the whole thing, right? You always compare with the corresponding side. So if I compare X with X plus 4, this whole thing is X plus 4. It should be the same as the ratio of the other pair, which is 4 and 10. Oh yeah, it's 6. Okay, so if you just observe carefully, right?
7, 8, 9, 10.
You can either choose to cross multiply or just make a comparison between them. You will realize that this one is 10x. This one is 4 bracket x plus 4. So go and expand it out. Oh no, it's not. It's not. I miscalculated. Okay, no, it's not 6. So once you finally calculate, what is 16 divided by 6? 6, 12,
2.3.
2/3. 2.66 or 2.67 or exact is 2 and 2/3.
6.
Or you can give me recurring decimal.
What's after 6?
What's after 6? 7. Why? Why? Is that a joke? Justin, what's after 6? Yeah, correct what? Why you laugh at me?
Is Brandon laughing at you?
No, because Justin is like at my level of speed. Like my response speed.
Okay.
Why leh?
He thinks
that-
6, 7 is very funny.
6, 7 is very funny.
No, you don't understand.
Yeah, I don't understand.
Ask your children and stay
Yeah.
What's after 6?
No, just tell them 6, 7.
6, 7?
Just say that. Just say that to them.
Brandon is like mentally.
I search Google.
Who searches Google? You should search
It's 6,
TikTok.
7 is a slang.
No, you should go to images.
You just know your children.
It means so.
No, you must go to images. Go to like
Images.
6, 7. Then you see a guy with like the umbrella hair.
Brandon, stop it. Don't start.
Where?
There's a guy with umbrella hair.
Put 6, 7 kid.
Like that?
No.
6, 7 kid.
Brandon, search it up.
6, 7 kid.
Yeah.
So it's center parting.
I think she just like,
No, you should just let it go like this one.
I'm going to find out.
ask your children, they will confirm.
They are only P1 and 3. How can they know? Okay, then I move on. Example 2. Okay, remember, similar triangles tend to look like this. It's either like this, a stacked triangle, or the last type you will see is a ribbon. So, similar triangles are always drawn in these 3 ways only. The others are usually congruent. So if you see shapes like that, you will think about similar triangles. Okay, first thing first, they want you to prove that AOB, this one, is similar to DOC, this one. Why?
I know. Corresponding angle.
Corresponding angle, no.
The Z.
The Z, alternate angles. So you can tell me that this angle is the same as this angle because of the letter Z. So we can write that down first. A, B, C. Remember the order matters. So A, B to C, you must write DCO. So this is alternate angles. AB parallel to CD. First angle. What's the second one? Ria and Vera, don't play.
Any horse are you?
What's the second angle that is equal?
Yeah.
What's the second?
This one.
OAE B. How do you know the other Z, the other side? So these two also the same. So you can repeat writing it. BAO is equal to CDO.
Oh, this.
Okay, the order is important. So again, alternate angle AB parallel to CD. If you want to write vertically opposite angle also can. So these two also equal. But no need to show all three, just two is enough. So by AA test, this triangle is similar to this triangle. Okay? Okay, next they say, can you then tell me what is BCD? This angle, how to find? How to find the red angle? It's the same as this. How to find? How to find? How to find BCD? Correct. So it's the same as OBA. So you just use 180, take away 40, take away 24. So it's 116. Sum of angles in a triangle. Tough.
Tough.
Yeah. Very tough.
So tough. So tough.
How would you spell tough? Wait, this one. You spell tough like TOUGH or TUF?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Write it down.
Oh, did your children already tell you? Is that why you're planning?
No, it's your comment on my post.
They still don't like my comment.
Like the fire, the tough. So I was like, what did I say that was tough?
Yeah.
We're showing appreciation.
I put a lot of effort into it.
I feel bullied.
James,
So you see, I stopped posting. Because I'll be attacked.
We're showing
I
appreciation.
say one thing, y'all don't know what happened.
you're very famous.
We're appreciating
No,
your
this
work.
generation so scared. I'm your fan and they bully you online. Yeah, I watched that one. That's why I scared.
Cyberbullying.
Like now the emoji is not the emoji anymore.
Or the primary.
Yeah, the color of the emoji also got reason. I'm so scared that I don't know.
Since when color?
Why he tuck in, he must like so, like my son like that. Okay, never mind. Okay, I twisted the triangle below so that you can do a easy comparison between these two. Okay, I'm interested in finding the length of OC, which is this one. So remember, you must match with the correct side. So this one, compare with this. So OC compare with 4 should be the same as 5 compare with 6. So the ratio must be the same. You cross multiply and solve it. So 4 times 5, 6. You get 20 over 6, which is 3 1/3. or you can write 3 and 3 with a dot.
This one is
You go behind and suffer, but you look like you're enjoying, so I don't know whether to save you or not. Jamil.
You move one seat forward, you still talking.
Yeah. Okay, so this is part C. Last example, and we are done with 6.2. Very good.
We're done for today.
No, of course not. Okay, 6.3, 6.4, and 6.5, right, is your HBL. Remember, it's 3 days HBL, right? I'll be sending you a video to watch, and for you to complete it, you can watch it at your own time, but you will basically go through even the construction part. So when you come back, I will go through selected parts that you don't understand. So you have to watch the video, Yeah. Don't understand, come back, I'll go through.
Maybe in school.
But we don't want to wait. Not every single day, like 2 days. But I treat it like 3.
Why?
Because I'm a math teacher.
This one, do you
Can.
do the O level? Are you doing the O level? Like,
I'm doing the oral law.
oh.
No, just in school. It's okay, it's okay. Wait, I finish already, then I give you. Until? What CCA have to come back? Huh? No excuse? Okay, done. Last example. Then we can have a break. Yeah. No, the example will take about 12 minutes. Yeah. What?
Mangoes or mangoes?
Mangoes.
You go ask the children.
Mangoes.
Just ask the children, mangoes or mangoes?
Why my children learn different things as me?
I wonder why.
You're a boomer.
Do you see why he said to
I mean,
me?
it's not wrong.
You are not sitting here next lesson.
No.
Krishvan say you are a boomer. He say like that. Then I asked Brandon for help. He say, but he's not wrong. And it's recorded. Angle
Oh, is this cosine?
ABC is equal to angle, the longer side, right? LMN. Okay? So this is given.
SSA?
I need at least 2 more info to prove that they are similar. So what can I do?
SAS.
Okay, actually there's a trick. You can go to the original part that they ask you to prove and compare the ratio. So AB and LM, let's compare. AB must be compared with LM. So we check. AB with LM, my ratio is 2/3. So I just write down only. I don't know whether I can find another pair. So let's check the other one. AC should match with LN. So AC with LN. AC is 9. LN is unknown. So this pair I can't use. I don't have enough info. Then the last pair, BC, I should compare with MN. So BC is 4, MN is 6. So yes, indeed is 2/3. So I have shown that I have 2 corresponding sides that are of the same ratio. So this is your S, this is your A, and this is your S. So by SAS test, triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN. Okay? So I have proven that they are of the same ratio, 2 pairs of them.
So you can just say Y is 6.
So eventually you can make Y, no, must become 2/3.
Y.
9/27.
Oh.
Yeah, or you can simplify to 3, 9, 1/3. No, different.
Just times 2. 2/3.
No, like it's a fraction, I think. Okay, so how to find the value of y? This ratio, as what we have written just now, must give you 2/3. Right? So you cross multiply. 2y is 27. So y must be 27 divided by 2. 13.5. That's it.